Hey guys, for this video I'm going to be making my trays. Alright, so here I am just mixing my resin. This resin calls for 50-50, so half hardener and half resin. I mix them together for 3 minutes to make sure that it will cure properly. Then I am adding my different colored paints. So today I will be doing a dark blue and white marble look. These trays are really fun to make because every time you make them, none turn out the exact same. So everybody has a unique tray and you'll never get two of the same kind. So right here, I am just using my heat gun just to get rid of all of the bubbles in the resin. And actually with molds, I did try using a torch, and I would not recommend this because it actually made the resin cure to the mold and I couldn't get it out. So I switched over to a heat gun, and the heat gun works really great. Alright, now that these are all poured in each of the molds, I'm going to let this cure for about 18 to 24 hours. Then I will demold them, so I'll see you tomorrow. So it is day 2, I'm just demolding them here. I love how each one turned out. This hexagon one actually turned out really cool. It looks like there's like bubbles of white inside of the blue. That's really cool. This little circle is actually one of my favorite blue ones that I've poured, just because I added a little more white into it and I like the more marbly effect. This large oval one, I was kind of hoping for a little more white in there, but I think it still looks pretty cool up close. Here are a whole bunch of different ones that I have done as well. All different shapes, and the little circle can actually go inside of your oval tray, so you kind of get a 2-section piece. Maybe the little one, you have little earrings and the necklaces on the other section. Totally up to you. These are great for coasters, jewelry, pens, on your desk, on your nightstand, you name it. You can do many things with these. I experimented with different colors as well. I did teal and black, the regular black and white marble, and I added some gold leaf to the oval ones. You can see more options on my website for colors if you'd like to purchase these. They are a really great gift. If you like a custom one, please contact me and I'd be glad to make that for you. And thanks for watching. So I'll see you guys on the next video.